beautiful budding bakers, what a beautiful, glorious, sunshiny, shiny day it is today. Still going slightly crazy. I think we're on recipe number 75 or number 76, not too sure. So I said, because I'm going a little crazy, I'm going a little nuts. And then I said, holy cannoli, I want some spice in my life on a Wednesday midweek. Ginger nuts. We're doing these amazing ginger nuts. Look at the crinkle coating. These ginger nuts are just divine. They're the dunking variety. So once you snap, there's a snap to these. These are not soft ginger nuts. So we are starting with 125 grams of butter. We have got 280 grams of self-raising flour. I know, controversial, but these cookies start off as a little walnut of dough, and then they grow and expand because of your self-raising flour. I also have got my caster sugar, so 225 grams of caster sugar. I have got 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. I have got 1 heaped tablespoon, so slightly rounded tablespoon of spiced ginger, because once you bite these, there's a bit of heat on your palate and you go, damn, they're ginger nut cookies. If you want a wussy cookie, you could put in a teaspoon of ginger nut, but then they're not really ginger nuts. Then they're sort of cookies with a little bit of heat. These are ginger nut cookies. We also have 3 tablespoons or 3 of golden syrup. So to start with, we have got our golden syrup. So in goes our 3 tablespoons of golden syrup. Fantastic sound effects on a Wednesday. In goes our butter. So in goes, look, super soft. Do not have hard butter. This is the secret to these cookies spreading. You will not need to chill these cookies. The minute you bake them, in they go straight into an oven. You don't need to chill them. So our butter has gone in. Our caster sugar, 225 grams of caster sugar going in for our ginger nut cookies. And our Kenwood mixer. If I had holy water, I'd splash it. It is amazing. It has lasted 76 recipes and more. So I will push this to the side just to show you the mix. Your golden syrup, your caster sugar, and your butter. While I'm waiting for that, in goes my plain flour into an ordinary bowl, followed by my spiced ginger and my bicarb. Clean as you go, clean as you go. Boom, 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 boom. Done. Give that a bit of a mix. And you can see the consistency of our dough. In goes our egg. Crash, boom. You went out of the door. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our flour. Turn it down. Not up, Trish, not up. As you can see, I'm fecking the flour in. Technical baking term. Come on, Ruby, you can do it. Come on, Ruby. That's it, kaboom, that's it, it's done. Now, look at the colour of the cookie dough. And then look at the colour of the cooked cookie. One of the things I've experimented over the last couple of years with ginger nuts in general, these ginger nuts are specifically snap dunking ginger nuts. They're not the soft variety. I have tried them with brown sugar, light brown sugar, and then I found that it had a bitter, almost burnt aftertaste. So then I tried it with 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. It was nice, but a bit too soft for my liking. Increased to 2, kind of slight soft snap. 3, kaboom is your magic number for our crunchy, divine ginger nuts. Now, the other thing about this recipe, which I love, is that it makes 40 cookies. And you think, what? 40 cookies? Now I'm going to show you. Thank you very much, Ruby. You're amazing today. So I've got my tray and my castanet. Where's my castanet gone? fantastic mini scoops. I get these fabulous 3-set mini ice cream scoops, and they're superb for cookies. So, as you can see, all I'm doing, so, just to show you in comparison. So you start off with your dough, and kaboom, you end up with a ginger nut. And listen, I mean, these are, and as thin as they are, they flatten out to a really thin cookie, but they're absolutely delicious. Now, watch carefully as I place these on the tray. I am not putting them, they're nearly 4-finger width from the tray, because these spread. If you put your cookies so close together, the problem is they will actually blend right into each other and you'll end up with a giant cookie. How bad? A giant cookie is not a bad idea on a Wednesday morning. However, I wanted to be able to give out these. I've already had batches given out. We're going to call them the frontline Gingernuts. They've already been handed out, and I have given those to An Post. Because considering all the Amazon deliveries, on post deliveries, I decided, you know what, they need something sweet and crazy for their morning. So, Gingernuts, you have got 6 on a tray. You will make at least 35, if not 40, depending on the size of your ice cream scoop. If you don't have an ice cream scoop, in goes your hand. And take out a tiny bit, roll into a ball, and just leave on the tray. Okay? So you don't need to put it into a fridge, you don't need to do anything about it. Now that one I'm going to leave aside because I'm only putting 6 on a tray. They go in at 180. You are only talking 12 to 15 minutes. I like 15 minutes. 15 minutes you will get this golden hue and they will crack. So listen, I mean these cookies, listen. Yes, I know. She's, you know, this cookie's just going to be sacrificed today. Listen. Hello, ginger nut snaps. They are absolutely divine. In they go into my oven. Yes, please.
15 minutes, starting now.
Gives me enough time to clean up into an oven, keep going late, and I shall see you tomorrow at 10.